Hi, in this video, we're going to be looking at the help desk feature that the estate department will be using. So on EdAdmin, I want you to click on the top on help desk. And on this interface, we are going to click on the plus sign. If you don't see help desk on the top, you can also get there by clicking on these three dots. And then you go to the feature called help desk. So I've shown you two ways to get to this menu. So if we want to log a ticket on the help desk system, you're going to click on the plus sign, new work order, and on this GUI, we're going to fill in our details. You'll notice that your name will come in by the by section, so there's no need for you to type in your name. And then you have some categories. So I'm going to choose buildings, and then you can specify, this is optional, by clicking on the three dots. And we want to log a ticket in the academic block. You'll notice you have a lot of features here: academic, admin, one of the boarding houses, etc. And if you're not sure, you can also go to other, but I'm going to choose an academic block. And then I will go to area request type, and if you click on that, general support maintenance, I'm going to choose that. And in this dialog, I'm going to type my request in. I'm going to say K10 needs to be cleaned. Once I put my request in, I can scroll to the bottom and click on save. All the other features will be filled in by the estates department. So I'll click on save, and then I can close this ticket. And you'll notice my ticket has been logged in, 1st June, academic block, maintenance. And the estate department will assign it from there. And you'll notice now that the status is new, and an email will be sent to give you an update on the status of the job. Thank you.